Just like servicing a car, having a website performing properly is very, very important, and certainly Punch Buggy has been working with us so that all of that technology works seamlessly. I guess that passion for cars was founded very, very young when I was literally at school. It just happened to be the Porsche workshop in which I got an apprenticeship. It's the engineering, the performance. I call it my field of dreams. Basically, this whole workshop has evolved from a dream that I had 20 years ago. They said, if you build it, they will come. I think Punch Buggy's been instrumental in helping us, I guess, keep those hoists of ours full. In the early days, it was purely word of mouth, but of course, these days, that whole social media platform is a very big part of what we do, and it has been a very important part to our business. Quite a few years ago, we needed a nice website built. That's where Punch Buggy came in to help design and create a modern-looking website. They helped us with that, but then now they also help us with our Google AdWords and all of the other bits of the social. It started out as a little three-man show. It's now involved 25 staff and sales, service, and spare parts business. It's been a great relationship with Punch Buggy over the last 5 years, so there's certainly been a breath of fresh air to work with. One very important part for us is them also coming along to understand our business. I guess our end goal is here to be seen as one of the leaders in all of this, but we certainly couldn't do that on our own, so that's why we need a company like Punch Buggy.